So what are BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers made of? BONOSS manufacturer produce Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are made of high-grade Ford aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and aluminum alloy 7075-T6, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Compared with the aluminum alloy 6061-T6, the aluminum alloy 7075-T6 strength and toughness are also greatly enhanced. The strength of the aluminum alloy 6061-T6 wheel spacers are totally strong enough for daily driving. However, if you like drifting car off-roading, you better choose aluminum alloy 7075-T6 wheel spacers. The material start of these BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are made of Ford SCM 4.0 alloy steel, which features high temperature resistance, structural stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. And BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage top centerings. The multi-layer design provides the device with the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and better load transition.
High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
BONOSS wheel spacers provide high performance, more additional functions, fast customized service, and friendly service, which is your best choice.